silly, levity, you know, lighten up just a little bit. See it, there's, 4 of you, so only 1 of you hasn't gotten a black flag. So, all right.
Well, no, we only have 3.
No, only 3. He hasn't gotten one.
Oh, okay, all right, 2. All right, 2 of you have not gotten a black flag. So, if you follow Lemons, this is Eric Root. Believe it or not, Eric has a wonderful sense of humor, but he's not feeling very funny right now. So your job is you have to make Eric laugh.
Oh no!
And he's not feeling funny?
Once Eric is genuinely laughing, you're free to go.
Oh no!
All right.
Yeah, go for it.
Call a man with no body and no nose. Nobody knows. I'm sorry.
No.
That's not gonna do it.
No. Oh
You
no.
want to try?
We need some BMW related stuff.
What does the Pillsbury Doughboy see when he looks between his legs? Donuts.
Come on.
Why don't cannibals eat clowns? Because they taste funny. What more dad jokes do you guys have?
Okay.
What's the difference
Well,
between
No. We didn't say dad jokes. We said actually make it laugh. Because those are high caliber
Serious.
dad jokes. Yeah.
53. That's all I got.
Okay. So, what's the difference between jam and jelly? I can't jelly my dick in your ass.
I knew we should have done that. I told you, don't let her speak because she'll do it. All right. That was supposed to go on way longer.
fucking brains in the operation. Look at me, I'm the captain now.
Okay.
She knew to go dirty, right?
She's part sailor.
All right.
Pretty good.
All right. Here's the unfortunate reality of this. It is 5. No. Nope. We set a task. You met the task. It is 5 o'clock. If I see you again,
We're done.
for the day. I'm not ripping armbands unless it's something horribly egregious, like you're chucking beer cans at the same